So the listing for OGC is confirmed already. Just 3 more days to go. So BitGet have actually confirmed that they'll be listing OGC. It said only 3 days until OGC and spot trading goes live. It said predict the highest OGC price first, and then give us the pre-market price for OGC, which is 0.088. So, and if you look at the message being posted by OGC themselves, so if you look at here, it said OGC claim ready, set and go. It's OGC token generation event. So from here, that's the 30th of this month, and it's also the day that BitGet actually stated that OGC will be listed. And if you check down, it said link your exchange ID now. So in this video, I'll be guiding you on how to actually connect your OGC ID and your wallet to your OGC account. So that you'll be able to withdraw your token. So if you come to your OGC account, you come to the dashboard section. So if you come to the top section here, so if you click here, you're going to see different options, but here it says edit exchange UID. So when you click on exchange UID, you're going to see the only option available here is BitGet. So when you highlight it and you click, so you're going to be getting a message in your inbox. So you're going to confirm you are not human, then you're going to get our code. So from here you will get your code. So it says get code. So a code will be sent to my email, so I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to paste the code now, then I'll click on continue. So now here we're going to copy our BitGet UID, then our token address, then we're going to be getting our the email address, then we're actually going to our email in BitGet address. So let's do that now. So go to our BitGet. So from our BitGet account, when you come here, so here you see your UID. So you're going to copy, then we paste it on our OGC. So paste it here. So from here, we're going to come to add fund. You can see add fund at the top. Then we're going to click on deposit crypto. Then at the top corner, so we're going to search for OGC. You can see it right here. So then note the network, that's Ethereum network. Then here you're going to copy your address, then you go back to your OGC. So from here you're going to paste it. Then here you're going to enter your email address, the one you use on your BitGet. So when you are done, then you click on save for relation. So then here we are done. So withdrawal will start any moment from now. And if you look at your token, the OGC have not been distributed, so we're going to wait patiently and get you updated as everything is going. So do wait to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel, link in the description of this video. See you at the top.